Hi there, students. Felo de se. This is Latin and legal English. It actually means killing yourself, committing suicide. And for a very long time, until 1961, in the UK, this was illegal. This was something you could go to prison for. And this was finally abolished in 1961. This is a crime committed against yourself. So fellow, Latin, a felon, a criminal, say, yourself. So you make a criminal of yourself by killing yourself, or by being killed while committing an illegal act. And in the past there were penalties for doing this. For example, if you were found guilty of felo de se, then this was a crime, and even though you were dead, you would not be allowed to be buried in a churchyard. Normally, suicides were buried at a crossroads, for example. And the burial typically took place at night with no mourners and no clergy. And this happened typically at a crossroad, and the body would have a stake put through its heart as well. Also, if you were found guilty of felo de se, then you would lose your property. Your property would be confiscated, and your heirs would not receive your personal estate. So this was another result of felo de se, of killing yourself, of committing suicide. By the beginning of the 17th century, courts in the UK started to talk about temporary insanity, and the penalties to people who were going to inherit were gradually phased out. But this law about felo de se and it being illegal to commit suicide continued until the 1960s. So you could try and kill yourself, fail, and end up in prison. So I think if you're depressed enough to want to do something like that, and then they put you in prison for doing it. Okay, so there are all sorts of examples of this, and it's talking about the killing of yourself. Yeah, it's something that is illegal. Felo de se, it literally means suicide, a person who commits suicide or dies from the effects of having committed an unlawful, malicious act. Yeah, so I don't know, if you committed a terrorist attack and were killed during that would be felo de se as well. Okay, so you're making a delinquent of yourself. This is somebody who intentionally takes their own lives. The acquittal of the deceased by a coroner's jury meant that the felo de se judgment no longer existed, and he was entitled to a Christian burial. So yes, the legal cases to avoid a verdict of felo de se Okay, so Felo de se is itself is a verdict. Yeah, is making a criminal of oneself. So suicide, or a person who dies from suicide, self murder, self slaughter. Okay, I would. This is Latin. This is really quite formal. I'm going to give this 7.5, 8, maybe even 8.5 in formality. Use in a formal conversation, a formal writing, a legal document, something like that. So, Felo de se.